everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use base 10 block notation for double-digit subtraction. So again, students have access to the actual blocks here in class, but if they're anywhere else, they might need to just draw on a piece of paper. So when you do base 10 block notation, we are drawing the shapes of the typical blocks that we have in class, but in simpler form. So when we have one little block, we draw that as a dot. When we have a 10, we draw it as a line, and when we have 100, we draw it as a square. So when we're doing subtraction, we only want to draw our first number. We really emphasize that subtraction you have to do in order. So we have to start with our first number. So for example, our first number in this problem is 46. We have to solve 46. So the student would look and say, okay, I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we're drawing ones, we want to group them by fives, as if they are doing a 10 frame. 10 frames are a quick way to see that you have 10. So it has 5 and 5 next to each other. So for example, we can see that this is not 10, and we can quickly see it's 5 plus 1, 6. So we have drawn our first number with what we're starting with. So then we look, and we have to see how many are we taking away. In this case, we're taking away 2 tens and 3 ones. So we think about it in a more broken down place value. So when I look at that, I see, okay, we have 2 tens that we're taking away. So we cross them out. 2 tens. We have subtracted 2 tens. Then we are taking away 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now we just count and see what's left. We have 1, 2. So we have 2 tens left. And we have 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. So 2 tens is 20. 3 ones we write in the third place, in the ones place, which is 3. So our answer is 23. However, it gets a little different when we have a smaller number in our ones place. So for example, in this, we have 93 minus 45. So we're going to start out the same. We're going to draw our biggest number because it is so important that we do our first number. Order matters. So how many tens? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, each line represents a 10 base 10 block because they look like a line. Then we write our ones. 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So when we look at this, we can easily do our tens, but our ones are going to be a little bit more difficult. I ask myself, okay, 3 ones, I have to take away 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I can't take away 5 ones. I don't have 5 ones to take away. So what you have to do is regroup one of our tens as ones. I remember when I was a kid, they said borrow, but we're not really borrowing because it's a regroup. Just like if you handed a $10 bill to somebody and they gave you 10 ones. It's an equal exchange. So in order for me to be able to take away the ones I need to take away, I need to regroup a 10. So to regroup a 10, I circle it and bring it over, and I split it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that 10 is regrouped as 10 ones. So now I can take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've taken away 5 ones. So now I can take away my tens. Okay, so I have 4 tens I need to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I count up. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So our answer is 48. So that is a way that we can use base notation when we don't have the blocks available.